the time Superman sneezed away an entire solar system. In Action Comics number 273, Superman meets a villain with reality warping powers. The villain creates a fake meteor filled with magical sneezing dust and tricks Superman into inhaling it. Superman suddenly loses control and tries to hold in a sneeze, so to avoid destroying Earth, he flies to a distant, uninhabited solar system and sneezes there instead. The sneeze ends up wiping out the solar system almost immediately, and the comic proves one of Superman's biggest weaknesses is magic.